So this question comes from SMO2021 Senior section, question number 6. Given that x is an integer, we are asked to solve the equation x equals to 5 to the power of square root 2 plus 4 log base x 5. Now for this question, usually we will start with, we will let u equals to log x 5. With this, x to the power of u will equals to a 5. So x will equals to 5 to the power of 1 over u. Since x is given as such, and now we find out x equals to 5 1 over u, and therefore it means that 5 1 over u equals to 5 square root of 2 plus 4, and this is u. And we have 1 over u equals to square root of 2 plus 4u. Now when you square both sides, 1 over u squared equals to 2 plus 4u. So 1 equals to 2u squared plus 4u power 3. So 4u power 3 plus 2u squared minus 1 equals to 0. Actually, you can guess the answer from here, that u is equal to 1 over 2, because when u equals 1 over 2, 1 over u squared will be equal to 4, and the right hand side also equals to 4. We can try and see u equals to 1 over 2, 2u minus 1 will be one of the factor, and the other factor will be 2u squared, and this is plus u equals to 0. Now there's no term in u, and the u can be getting from here and here, that is 2u and another 2u. So we try to expand it and see whether you can get this or not. So this is 4u power 3, then this is 4u squared minus 2u squared, that is 2u squared, and that is 2u minus 2u, and there's no u, and negative 1. That's correct. So u equals to 1 over 2, or 2u squared plus 2u plus 1 equals to 0. U squared plus u plus half equals to 0. After we complete the square, u plus half squared plus 1 over 4 equals to 0. And you can see that the left hand side is always non-zero. It cannot be equal to 0 in the right hand side. So in this case, there's no real solution. So we have one solution here, u equals to half. However, we are asked to solve for x, not for u. So we need to bring it here. So x is equal to 5 to the power of 1 over u. So it will be 5 to the power of 2, that is equal to 25. That's the only answer that we get, but don't forget to check your answer. So we need to check the answer. So the left hand side of the original equation, it is equal to x and is equal to 25. And the right hand side is equal to 5 to the power of square root 2 plus 4 of log is actually equal to u, that is equal to half. So this is 5 square root 2 plus 2, that is 4, and that is also equal to 25. We confirm that x equals to 25 is the answer for the question. So this is standard method I use. If you have something different, please let me know in the comment. That's all for today's lesson. I'll see you again. Bye bye.